Intel reportedly pushing up to 10,000 MT per second DDR5 memory support for Arrow Lake Core Ultra 200 CPUs. Intel Arrow Lake Core Ultra 200 CPUs to support 8,000 to 10,000 MT per second DDR5 memory speed with CUDIMM. Intel has been able to provide higher memory speed support compared to AMD for its last 3 generations of CPUs when it comes to DDR5 memory. Now, as the company approaches the launch time of the Arrow Lake processors, leaks surfacing are suggesting that the processors can support a high-speed CUDIMM DDR5 memory. CUDIMM, or clocked Unbuffered Dual Inline Memory Module, is the latest type of DDR5 memory released this year, aiming to deliver higher memory speeds as per the information by the user MebiuW from Weibo. The upcoming Arrow Lake CPUs can support 8,000 to 10,000 MT per second of DDR5 memory support with CUDIMM. This is a huge uplift over the Raptor Lake and Refresh CPUs, which have a hard time reaching 8,000 MT per second and require a strong IMC overclocking DDR5 memory on the AM platform is even more difficult. Ryzen 7000 and 9000 CPUs struggle to support up to 7000 MT per second of DDR5 speed, which now is once again favoring Intel, as the Arrow Lake CPU seem to offer even higher RAM speed support than their predecessors. The CUDIMM brings a clock driver of regenerating the clock signal to improve stability and memory frequencies. Reaching 10,000 MT per second might seem too difficult, but it's certainly possible, as some memory makers have already started to manufacture high-speed CUDIMMs. A recent example is Asgard, which recently unveiled its fastest CUDIMM DDR5 running at up to 9600 MT per second of speed. The company is planning to achieve 10,000 MT per second speed, but is also planning to exceed this number in the future. That said, the upcoming LG 1851 motherboards will offer great memory support too, which will be great to see in the future. While we don't have enough info on the memory frequency support on the Z890 chipset motherboards, we recently saw the ASRock Z890 Taichi, which will be to support up to 9200 MT per second of memory speed in 1 DPCIR configuration. This is already a whopping 2000 MT per second increase over the Z790 Taichi and opens the door for the further enhancement in the future. As of now, it's going to be too soon to say that the Arrow Lake CPUs will support 10,000 MT per second of memory speed just after the release, but in the near future, it looks totally possible considering motherboard and memory makers are aiming for the higher memory speed support.